Hi, this is Surya. Welcome back to Beyond Classroom. You have learned how true, false, not given, and yes, no, not given question types work, and how to spot the clues that lead to the correct answer. Now it's time to bring everything together. In this video, we will look at a simple game plan for test day, along with the most common mistakes you need to avoid. It's a short but important one. Let's dive in. Here is a 4-step routine for every single statement you encounter. Step 1. Read the statement carefully and identify the keywords and any qualifiers such as some, most, always, or never. Step 2. Locate that specific part of the passage, keeping in mind that the answers usually appear in the same order as the text. Step 3. Compare the meaning, not just the individual words. Ask yourself, does the text agree, contradict, or say nothing at all? Step 4. Write down the exact answer word required by the task. If the passage agrees with the statement, the answer is true or yes. If it contradicts the statement, the answer is false or no. And if the passage gives you nothing to confirm or contradict it, the answer is not given. Next, let's look at a few practical exam habits that can save you marks. First, decide and move on. If you can't find anything in the text that confirms or contradicts the statement, the answer is not given. Do not waste 2 full minutes looking for something that isn't there. Second, never leave a blank space. There is no penalty for incorrect answers in IELTS, so always commit to your guess. Third, write the exact word the task asks for. Check if it's a true, false, or a yes, no section, so you don't accidentally lose easy marks. And fourth, trust your first careful reading. Avoid second-guessing yourself and changing your answers at the last second, unless you have found a clear piece of evidence you missed the first time. Finally, let's look at the 6 mistakes that cost students the most marks. First, don't use outside knowledge. Always answer from what is written in the passage, even if you know that real-world facts are different. Second, don't mark a not given answer as false. If you cannot point to a direct contradiction in the text, the answer is not given. Third, don't ignore qualifiers. Small words like all, some, often, and never can completely change the answer. Fourth, match the meaning, not vocabulary. Remember, IELTS often uses synonyms and paraphrasing to disguise the correct answer. Fifth, in yes, no, not given questions, don't mistake other people's reported opinions for the writer's own view. And finally, don't write the wrong answer word. If the task requires yes, no, not given, don't write true or false, and vice versa. Avoid these 6 mistakes, and you will protect a lot of valuable marks on test day. That is your complete strategy for tackling statement questions. Work the first step systematically, keep these exam habits in mind, and avoid those 6 common errors. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.